After all, he is the all-time winningest Cup Series driver to ever get behind the wheel at our track. Please join us in honoring a legend as we host Tony Stewart's final race.